Hi, so this is going to be a brief tutorial on the rover that I remade from an old RC car. And so I automated it using a Raspberry Pi, and I used a 12-volt lamps as the headlights and side markers, and I'm also using motor drivers, and I'm also using a dual lithium ion battery pack, a two 3.7 volt 2000 milliamp per hour batteries each. So on with the show. So I'm using a universal game controller that's wireless. I'm going to turn on the headlights real quick. So here you go.
Headlights are now activated.
So you see the headlights turn on. And so I coded each button on the joystick or game controller. So now I'm going to turn the headlights off.
Headlights are now deactivated.
Now I'm going to turn it back on.
Headlights are now activated.
I'm also using a speaker, like a little microphone speaker that I plugged into the Pi directly. So it's vocalizing each action that I coded for each button. So now I'm going to turn on left signals.
Left turn signal activated.
And now I'm going to do the right signal.
Right turn signal activated.
Now I'm going to do the brakes.
Brake lights are now activated. Warning, warning, self-test initialized.
Alright, and now I'm going to do the four ways.
Alright, so I'm stopping by the house real quick to grab whatever shoe that you have, and then I'm gonna skip over the curb and I'll get that one. Alright,
And now I'm going to
Lights are now deactivated.
and now I'm going to turn the wheels to the left. And now I'm going to turn them to the right. So here I'm using the joystick. Left. Right. Alright. So now I'm going to straighten up the wheels. As best I can. So it looks like I'm going to have to do a little extra coding. And now I'm going to do a forward movement with the joystick. So here we go. Let me straighten up the wheels real quick. That should be good. Alright, so here we go. Forward movement.
Forward acceleration engaged.
Alright.
Forward acceleration disengaged.
Now I'm going to do the reverse.
Reverse acceleration engaged. Reverse acceleration disengaged. Forward acceleration engaged.
Alright.
Forward acceleration disengaged.
And then I'm going to do one last time reverse.
Reverse acceleration engaged. Reverse acceleration disengaged.
And I'm going to turn on the hazard lights real quick.
Hazard lights are now activated.
So you can see the hazard lights come on.
Hazard lights are now deactivated.
And that's it for this video. I'm gonna do a little bit more coding with this. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna do it tonight or tomorrow. Just to include the horn, also to adjust the steering so it does a half movement, so I don't have like a huge wide turn like that. And I'm not sure if I did the brake lights. Let me do the brake lights real quick. And that's the A button on my game controller that I coded.
Brake lights are now activated. Warning, warning, self-test initialized.
And that's it for this video. So, please leave a comment or likes or subscribe to this YouTube channel, Timmy Lee 28, for more content like this. Alright guys, And that's it. That's a wrap. All right, bye.